Scaffolding safety tips. Scaffolding is a typical construction equipment that is used to temporarily support workers and materials during the building, repairing, or maintaining of a structure. Scaffolding is a useful tool, but it presents risks if not handled properly. 10 safety guidelines for working on scaffolding are provided here for everyone's protection. Training. First and foremost, be sure to always play it safe by sticking to all rules and laws. Make sure you have the proper training to utilize scaffolding and that you are familiar with all the applicable safety requirements. 2. You should put on safety gear if there is a risk of falling. When working on scaffolding, it is imperative that you always use a harness or other form of fall protection. Equipment. 3. The scaffolding should be inspected on a regular basis. Inspect the scaffolding for damage or wear before each usage and fix or replace as needed. 4. Fasten the scaffolding down. Verify that all of the scaffolding supports and bracing are in good shape and that it is safely fastened to the building or structure. Working area. 5. Make sure the scaffolding is not too heavy. It is important that the scaffolding not be loaded down with more persons or objects than it can safely hold. 6. Put up barriers. Establish safe working conditions by installing guardrails. 7. Always maintain a clutter-free scaffold. Keep the area around the scaffolding clean and uncluttered and remove any obstructions from the scaffolding itself. 8. Be careful when using ladders. Use a sturdy ladder that has been safely secured before climbing onto the scaffolding. Safety gear. 9. Put on the right gear and clothes for the occasion. Check that you have on appropriate clothing and safety gear before beginning work. This includes wearing a hard hat, gloves, and safety glasses. 10. When the weather is terrible, do not utilize the scaffolding. The scaffolding should not be used if the weather is severe. We recommend you hold off on continuing your job until the weather improves. Conclusion. You may protect your own and others' safety when working on scaffolding by adhering to these guidelines.